Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to VCD channel. Today we are going to learn how to run Premiere Pro 2025 and work with these menus. Let's go. In this video, we are going to get acquainted with Premiere Pro, the first of the must-use applications and softwares in video editing. I'm using the latest version released so far, Premiere Pro 2025. When you run Premiere Pro for the first time after installation, you will encounter a page like this. If you already have previously saved projects like me, you can see the list of recent projects and access them directly from here. But since this is our first project, we will click on the new project option. It's better to choose a suitable name for the project right now, so that when we want to access the files of this project, we can easily find it through this name. In this section, we specify in which folder the project will be created and saved in the computer's storage. This section also includes several ready-made Premiere templates that we do not need them at the moment. So we set it to none and click OK. In this section, you will see ready-made video samples of Premiere, and if you don't have a video to edit, you can use the examples to practice editing. On the right side in this section, you can select the name of the sequence in which video example. And now this is the main workplace of Premiere, where any changes to the videos can be made on this stage. If it is different for you and the location of the windows are not like this, don't worry, because the size and location of all windows can be changed and customized. The most commonly used workplaces are also available in this menu. For example, if the dimensions of your video are vertical, it's better to use this workplace to make the program window that shows the video output larger. So let's review the menus. First of all, you can make new files, projects, and sequences from this tab or open previously edited projects. Close the current project if you don't need it, save the project, import files to the project, search Adobe stock files on internet, export your project after editing, or you can manage and make changes to settings of your project. Next one is the edit menu, where you can make changes to selected file like cut, copy, paste, clear, ripple, delete, select all, and other changes. Also, clip menu is for other changes like rename, modify, changing speed or duration of audio and video files, or nesting multiple files to one file, and enable using multi-cameras. Next one is the sequence menu. Here you can adjust your timeline sequence setting. Let me show you. From this window you can set any format of videos you want, as you can see, and also set amount of frame per second. And you can set your video's horizontal or vertical resolution from here, and the pixel shapes. Also, you can set the sample rate of audio files from here. Next menu is marker tools, where you can add or remove markers on files in your timeline. And also you can select the files to export with marking and mark out tools. Next is graphic and tiles menu, where you can add or remove text to your videos. You can also find and download some motion graphics templates and install them from here in Premiere. The view window is working with the source monitor, which I will talk about it in the next video. And the last useful menu is window. As I said before, you can select any workplace you need and change formation of Premiere Pro windows. Okay guys, thanks for watching. In next video, we are going to import our first file to the project and make some editing like cut, delete, ripple delete, changing speed of videos and audio files, and fully explain the timeline. Please like me if you found this video useful for you. You can also ask me any question you want to be answered about Premiere Pro. Thank you.